Just behind me you can see the shape of this amazing site just next to the road near the Copacabana border with Peru, and we're going to go and have a look closely at the incredible rock stone carvings that go on for like 500 meters, and this is so close to the Puma Punku quarry. There has to be a connection, so we're going to investigate this over the next few days, get some aerial shots, see what we come up with here, because this is absolutely stunning. Everyone should see this. They're incredible so-called Inca steps, and this is right next to not only Lake Titicaca on that side, but over on the other side of this massive rocky outcrop. So this is an incredible site, so we're going to get a closer look with the drone and with the Osmo. So there's so many different things going on here. This is just a sign for the main site, and it's right next to an ecological beach, and it has a tunnel, and it's called Inka Qamaña according to this sign. And this is just very, very interesting. It's all the way over here. This could be where they quarry the stone for many of the sites around Lake Titicaca, including Cerro Khappia on the other side over there. So this is really quite remarkable. So let's take a walk up some of these steps. It looks like there's carvings and shapes almost like moulded in the rock here. This is absolutely incredible. This is just unbelievable, and you can see it from the side there, how amazing that looks. So this is one of the ways up. It's carved out of solid bedrock. It's quite rough hewn, but it could have been badly weathered. We're right next to the lake, of course. And you have these channels going all the way through, probably for water, possibly for sacrifice, more likely water. So although the stone looks quite rough hewn, it could be badly weathered. We've got the wind coming in, you've got the lake right next to you. Look at this great big block down here as well. Thanks, Jim. Look at this. This is like the central kind of royal area, I would imagine, with the seating area, the huge block just down below. Almost looks like it's cast, this stone. It looks like concrete. And you have this, which had lots of carvings on it, done more recent times, but it looks like concrete. It looks like sort of conglomerate rather than basalt. But all these steps here, look at this. All sorts of channels you can see going up there, steps. What a mystery. It looks like a classic Inca construction, but this is some kind of lava flow, so it must be some kind of basalt. It just continues and continues all the way down here and all the way back over there. Remarkable. Absolutely remarkable. So we're going to head down now and have a look in the cave, what they call a tunnel. So is this one of the classic tunnels we find all over Peru? Legends of them, stories talking about them. It does seem that way. I'm just heading down the final set of steps here before we check out the tunnel. And then I want to get in the air, get this from above, because this is far too interesting to just look at from ground level. So here's the cave, or one of them. Now, serious amount of spiders and cobwebs here. It's not something JJ's are going to want to wander into. That does go quite far in there. I can't get down there at all, I'm way too big, but it goes quite far in there. We have the beach of Lake Titicaca and the cliff face. And as we come around the corner, we can see the main Asani site, which is a mystery. Is it ancient, or is it even a modern quarry? Very compelling. Very compelling. I wonder where these tunnels go as well. They've been slightly caved in, blocked off.